don't get these on your mango sticky rice, you're getting ripped off. It's not the real deal.
So much.
Years ago, we came to Chiang Mai for the first time and completely fell in love with the city and the food.
We've now been back for over a month. We've revisited some of our favorite places and also discovered some new ones.
This is our last week here and we are so sad. So this week we are going to go to all of our favorite places one last time and show you everything we've eaten for the last month. We are starting with our favorite restaurant of all time, Khao Soi Mae Sai, with our favorite food of all time, khao soi. We discovered this dish when we came here the first time, and seriously, we have been dreaming of it ever since. It's a really typical dish of this area. It's a northern Thai soup, and the broth is this perfect combination of sweet and spicy coconut cream. And when I eat it, I like to make the perfect bite with each spoon. So I get a little bit of the broth, a few of the egg noodles, a few of the crunchy fried noodles, some pork, some green onions, some cilantro. Bon appetit. It is so good. We pretty much come here every single day for lunch. Also, it's essential to wash down khao soi with a traditional Thai milk tea. It's this beautiful orange tea with sweet condensed milk on top. It's so refreshing and balances the spice really well. This restaurant is so unassuming. It's just this garage type building on the side of the road with motorbikes and tuk-tuks zooming by every 5 seconds. But the lady that owns this place is the sweetest. She's so busy running around all the time, and she knows our order now, which is basically like a bucket list item for me. I feel like you're supposed to save the best for last in these kind of videos, but it doesn't get any better than this. Okay, this restaurant, I don't think we ever would have come here on our own. It's like on this little side street and there's a sign by the street, but then you have to go up the stairs. It's next to all these power lines. It kind of feels like you're in somebody's house. It's also a vegetarian restaurant, which we're not vegetarians, but we have found that their food is so beautifully plated and so delicious for such a good price. Our friends Katie and Ben told us to come here because they have the best masaman curry, which we haven't had a ton. It is a very typical dish in Thailand. It's like a yellow, coconutty, peanutty broth. It's thick and savory. And so good. This one is just full of vegetables, so we feel really healthy when we eat it. It's also really spicy, but they have these really yummy, fresh smoothies here. This one is papaya lime, so if you come here, get this one. It's really creamy and perfect with the masaman. And they have rubber straws.
The other thing that you have to try when you come here is the pad thai. Yes, pad thai is all over Thailand. If you come here, you're definitely gonna eat it. It's delicious in so many places, but this one here is super unique because they use butterfly pea flowers and they turn the noodles this beautiful purple color. And yes, I think sometimes when the food looks better, it actually makes it taste a little bit better. And plus they pack it full of vegetables just like everything else here, and it is so delicious. Not to mention, look how big this is.
So when we first got to Chiang Mai, our friend Dylan, who has spent a lot of time here, texted us this link of this Google pin. He said, you have to go to the Chicken Man. And we were like, what is the Chicken Man? And I'm not gonna lie, we did not have super high expectations. And this is the Chicken Man. A guy on a cell phone with a fryer connected to his motorbike, who fries chicken on the side of the road. Getting lunch whenever we need something fast, and it's not a restaurant, so there's nowhere to sit, so you just have to find a nice place on the side of the road. It is seriously the best fried chicken we have ever had. This spicy sauce, it's kind of sweet like tamarind. It's delicious, and classic bag of rice. You just eat it with your hands. It is fantastic. I can never get the rubber band off of this sauce. There we go. I've assembled the perfect bite. A little bit of chicken, a little bit of rice, a little bit of sauce. Perfection. We've been trying to limit ourselves to only coming here one time a week. It's not quite as healthy as our veggie massaman curry. So good. Also, don't worry about having to try to look up where all of these places are. We've written a whole blog post with all of the locations of everywhere that we've eaten in this video. This is another restaurant that we came to the first time we came to Chiang Mai, and we absolutely loved it, and we really hit it off with the owner. He took our picture and put it on the wall, and we made this whole video called Best Indian Food in Chiang Mai. But the truth is, we had only ever had Indian food like twice, like in our whole lives. And then all these people came to this restaurant because of our recommendation, which makes us so happy. But then we started thinking about it and we came back, and we were a little nervous that maybe our taste buds weren't super refined yet to Indian food, and we've traveled a lot since then. We've actually been to India and had really good Indian food. So we came back and ordered again. Turns out we were right.
This is the chicken tikka masala. It's exactly what we ordered last time. And as soon as we walked in for the first time on this trip, he immediately said, chicken tikka masala. He remembered what we ordered from almost 3 years ago. It's just as delicious as we remember. The fun thing about it is it's not like your standard Indian chicken tikka masala. I mean, it's that, but it's with a Thai twist. So there's actually chunks of lemongrass added into the masala, and it is delicious. Also, we've discovered a new dish. It is the Chan masala, so it's a chickpea masala. If you get the chance to come here, you can't go wrong with either one, and both are perfectly accompanied with 2 garlic naan. We've been planning the different stops for this video, and I have to say this is one of the ones that I've been most excited about.
I get the curry out of the fingernails. Thank you, Raj, for having us. Yep. This is the owner. Come and see him. Tell him we sent you. And if you're lucky, he'll put your picture on the wall.
Best coffee in town.
It's true. Our favorite way to wash down a spicy Indian meal, or pretty much any meal, is with a banoffee. This coffee shop is called Fabulous Roasters. It's just right around the corner from the Indian place, and the last time we were here, we made a really unhealthy routine of coming here pretty much every day. There are so many coffee shops in Chiang Mai. All the coffee here is so good, but we found this one to be really unique because he has this drink called a banoffee. It's basically a banana chocolate frappuccino, and it is so delicious and refreshing on a hot day. He also has these 2 little tip jars that were here last time we were here. One of them says the Arctic Circle and one of them says Australia, and they're the 2 trips that he really wants to go on, and he said he's really close to getting to go to Australia. So if you come here, tip that jar.
Okay, next up we have come to a place that you might not have expected to see on this video. We are actually on the 4th floor of a mall. So in Chiang Mai there's a big modern mall called Maya Mall, and on the 4th floor there's all these vendors set up, and they serve street style food for the same prices that you would pay on the street. but it's like a bit of a cleaner environment, and most importantly, there is air conditioning. So if you don't want to eat your spicy noodles and be sweating at the same time, this is a great place to come. Our favorite food that we found here is the tom yum soup, a very traditional Thai soup that you've probably heard of before, and if you want to seek it out when you come here, just look for the orange circle sign with a black mustache. You can get it for less than like $2, and it's absolutely delicious. Filled with mystery meat.
So one night we had no idea what we wanted to eat for dinner, and so we were walking down the road and we thought we would try this new restaurant, and their specialty was this northern Thai dish called Blob or Blob. We had no idea what it was, but now it has turned into one of our favorite meals in Chiang Mai. It is a spicy Thai chicken salad, so it's minced chicken with lemongrass, cilantro, lime, onions, and some kind of really spicy chili. It is an explosion of flavors. Like, it is the most flavorful dish that we've had in this city. And in between, you take bites of fresh, cold vegetables to kind of balance it out. It is fantastic. It awakens my soul. It's seriously so spicy. You like have to have these in between. This restaurant is actually called Blob, and so we figured this was a safe place to try it, and we've been back several times. It's amazing. One of this? Okay. Thank you so much. I'm so excited about this. Mango sticky rice is also one of our favorite foods in the whole world. The Thais like to have it for dessert, but we like to have it any time of the day. Breakfast, in between meals, as an appetizer. It's so yummy. It's just rice with some chopped up fresh mango, coconut milk drizzled on top, and then my favorite part is actually these little crunchy mung beans. We also think it's extra special if the rice is this beautiful indigo color. It tastes the same, but it's much prettier. You can pretty much find this anywhere in Thailand. We just go to the one that's closest to us. So good. Now we are at the Sunday night market, which is this huge street market in Chiang Mai, and it is our favorite place to eat street food, which is why we're devoting an entire video just to the Sunday night market. So make sure you watch our next video to see all the things that we try, including this giant roach. It's an honorable mention. Tacos are awesome. I don't know what this green stuff is. It's like a fermented pickled cabbage. I don't like very much. I don't know what that is. Huh?
Link below.
It's linked below.
Our favorite place that we found here is this tom yum stand. I have no clue what tom yum is.
This restaurant is actually called Blob.